Hi guys, it's Terry coming back at you with another review. This is the 2-pack, 10 feet, nylon braided. Let's see, for a fast charge, durable 10-foot vanity lightning cables, 3-pack, nylon braided USB-A to lightning for iPhone. That was a lot to say it's an iPhone charger. Hopefully. I don't have an iPhone. My son does. And yeah. It doesn't look like a 3-pack or a 2-pack. Let's see, what did I choose? Okay, 3 items. 1 pack. So, yeah. This does not 3-pack. That's not a 3-pack. Unless I'm looking at the wrong thing here. Yeah. So, yeah, not a 3-pack. It's a 1-pack. 10-foot cable. Hey, Daryl? Can I borrow your phone? I want to see if this charges. Okay, I've got my son's iPhone. And let's see how we do this here. Does it recognize it? Let's see. Hold on. Let me check the plug. Let's try it this way. Okay. So it is charging. I guess that's what you can ask for $2.24 and a 10-foot iPhone cord. It's charging. So thank you for watching. Have a great day.